Do you have a Word document with a lot of white spaces between sentences that affect the appearance of paragraphs and make them look unformatted? Most of us will remove those white spaces manually, but it is a tedious method that takes a lot of time and effort, especially if the document is large. Alternatively, you can easily remove all white spaces from the entire document with one click by following the simple steps in this video. 1. From the Home menu, click on the Replace option located at the far right of the screen. 2. In the Find What field, type the following, open parenthesis, then type a space, then close the parenthesis, then open a curly bracket, then type the number 2, then a comma, then close the curly bracket. 3. In the Replace With field, type the following, backslash, then the number 1. 4. Click on the More button, then select the Use Wildcards option, and finally click on the Replace All button. Congratulations, you have removed all the extra white spaces from your document in the fastest time and with the least effort. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive our new videos.